Good morning, welcome to another session of Java programming language. In the previous video, we have seen different uses of final keyword. In this video, we will discuss the static keyword. So, I have created a new project in NetBeans IDE. We already know that NetBeans IDE gave you some ready-made code. I have removed the comments. So let us try to understand the static keyword with the example. Okay, let's create a class A, and create two variable, one instance variable and one static variable. Let's say int a is equal to 10. This is the instance variable or normal variable, and one static variable b. Now let us create, what is the problem? So now let us create two objects of class A ob1 is equal to new A, b ob2 is equal to new b. Sorry. We already know that memory allocation for instance variable is done separately for every instance. Means since this A is the instance variable, its two copy will be made, one for object ob1 and one for object ob2. Both object have separate copy of this variable A. If we change, if we make changes in object 1's copy, then it will not be reflected in object 2, and if we make changes in object 2's copy, it will not be reflected in ob1. But in case of static variable, since static variables are class variables, only one copy of static variable is made in the memory, and if we change in the static variable, it will be reflected in all the objects, right? So let us understand this with the example. I have created two objects, object 1 and object 2. Now let us try to change this instance variable using object 1. ob1 dot a is equal to 15, suppose. Now let's print the value of a, system dot out dot print ln ob1 dot a, right? Control C, Control V. Now let us print the ob2 dot a. So now if we run this code, what should be the output? This is actually object 1's copy. So value of object 1 copy is 15, and object 2's copy, it will take the default value, which is here 10. So it should print 15 and 10. Let us see whether it is printing the same. So 15 and 10. Since we have changed, we have made the change in object 1 copy, it is not reflected in the object 2's copy, right? So this proves that separate memory allocation is done for every instance in case of instance variable. Now let us try to do the same with the static variable. Now I am trying to change the static variable ob1 dot b is equal to suppose 15, and I am using the same statement. This is actually B. Okay, now what should be the output? You see, when we make changes in instance variable, it is not reflected in the other variable, in the other instance variable, but this should print the same value. This both B, this B is the static variable, so both the objects should print the same value since it is the common variable. Okay, you can see 1510 and 1515. So this is the static variable. The static variables are the class variables, and memory allocation is done only once in case of static variable, while in case of instance variable, separate memory allocation is done for every instance. Now let us see, this is the variable. Now let us see the case of method. Static, let us see one static method, static void show. System.out.println inside static method. So as I have already told you that static members, whether it is variable or method, they are class members, and they do not belong to a particular object. So static members can be called by the class name. No object is needed to call the static members. So here I am trying to call this static method with using the class name and not the object. Let us see whether we can do that. So class name is a dot show. See here, it is showing all the available static members. B is the static member and show is the static member. We can access both the static members using the class name. So b dot show. So if I run it, inside a static member, we can also access the static variable using the class name. A dot B. Both static variable and methods can be called using the class name. So I think now it is clear what is the use of static variable. In the next video, we'll further see some more keywords like this and super. Thank you.